bigger and the one is the smaller. Okay, so whenever you start the writing English card writing, you will have to put this marker in this position like that. You have to start the first letter with the higher corner. Okay, so let's start with the letters A. What will you do? You have to do the start with this higher corner. Let's like this, then whole corners are used. Okay, then this and this time, then capital letters B sorry, like this. Then what will you do? C again in this way, then D, then E, then F. Okay, so you must have to practice these letters more and more times. Okay, and we will start the next video after practice doing this, and you have to send me this a screenshot in the description, like I will personally check to in this form, in this condition. No.